What is up, guys? As you guys saw a couple days ago, we could not finish the 350Z because we were missing some parts or whatever. But guys, we have good news. They are now in. So we're gonna open this and then we can go ahead and start working and get that 350Z ready. So we're just gonna open this all nice. Here we have them. They don't look like much, but they're gonna be our ball joint shims. And I'll show you real quick. See that right there? That was the part that we were missing. So, without further ado, guys, we can go ahead and get started on that. Sorry about my voice. I don't know why my voice just seems like all hoarse and stuff earlier, whatever that word means. Anyways, we're back at the car, so we're gonna go ahead and install this part right here. And it is pretty simple because we already have everything pretty much done. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna undo this one bolt and then just slip this in, and then we're gonna reattach it. Last but not least, we have our nice little cotter pin that we're just gonna slide right on in there. Perfect, now we have that all nice and in right there. So I think we need to tighten these because I don't believe we ever tightened those. So we're gonna tighten both those real quick. Okay, so now that we've finished that side, we're gonna go ahead and undo this wheel real quick. I'll get back to you guys right after that. We just are gonna be repeating the process we did the other day. First things first, we're gonna undo this front lower control arm. Just gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right there. So I'll get back to you right after I finish that. I have successfully just removed that. As you guys can tell, that joint is completely shot, so that's why we got our new one. So we're gonna go ahead and put our new one right on in. We have our new one right on in here. Okay, now we have our nice, shiny, clean one. Oh man, that's really satisfying putting a nice, clean one in. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in real quick. Okay, just undid the bolt. Now it's just to pop it out. Okay, we have just finally installed the other one. That one was actually really fast because I've done it before, so it only took like 20 minutes. So that's really good, guys. Man, I did not realize how easy that was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot difficult, but because I had done it before, like I said, it was a lot easier. Now we have everything all new in here, all nice and shiny, which just looks really good. It's really satisfying to replace the car part, but it's even more satisfying to replace it with the brand new shiny part because it's kind of like restores a little piece in you. Anyways, guys, without further ado, if you guys liked today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, guys, with nothing left to say, guess it's time to end it.